So the next question is we have to remove the duplicates from a list and we have to preserve the order using Java. So I'll just repeat. We have to remove the duplicates and preserve the input order also, or the element order in the list. And we have to print the result. So I hope you understood the question. So let's see how to do it. Here, right, I have created an array list. It contains some strings. So expectation is we have to remove the duplicates and preserve the order. So basically, we have to take this list and stream. This is the first 10 basic things. So once we start streaming, it's like a loop. Once we start streaming, next we have to see how to remove the duplicates. In streams, there is a very simple method that's called as distinct. So you can go with distinct, okay? It will basically remove the duplicates and retain only the distinct elements. Let's say if banana is appearing twice, right? It will remove the duplicate banana and retain only once. So basically every string with one frequency. So next is we can basically move it to list, or if you want we can even print it also. So this should do the magic. Let's try to run it. So you can see we have removed the duplicates and we got this final list. Order is preserved: apple, banana, and orange. So how simple it is, right? Because in Java 7 world it was a bit tricky because you have to basically go through the entire list to see how many times it is appearing, and after that you have to basically print the distinct element. But here it is pretty straightforward. You can rely on distinct method. It will remove the duplicates and it will provide you the unique elements. So let's say a requirement is just to remove the duplicates. No need to preserve the order. So we can even do one more way, that is basically stream it, and we can do to like direct set. That is, if we do this, and we can even print this result as well. So this is another way we can do it. So let me try to run it. So this is a standard way. What we are doing is we are taking a list and putting into set. That's it. So no any fancy stuff here. We are taking list, putting into set. So as we know, set will only retain the unique elements. Duplicate elements are removed. So this is another way to do it. But yeah, if I hover on this, right, it is suggesting another way. We can even do this also. If we're using Java 7 variant, because set will remove the duplicates. I hope you understood. The first way of using was distinct, and second is even you can rely on set if there was no restriction on preserving the order.